So I really want to start by warmly welcoming everyone to this event. I'm going to hand over now to Kate.
Hi everyone, it's really lovely to be here. A real pleasure to meet those of you who I've not met before.
Hello to everybody, I'm the Global Farriery Project Coordinator. So what we thought today we would do is do a farriery demonstration. I'm going to talk a little bit about the Global Farriery Project.
We've been providing kind of this remote support for a long time now.
Brooke, once it gets in your heart, always stays in your heart. You're all very much part of the Brooke family. And I think that's really something that's very special. I'm never going to completely leave Brooke. I will be incorporating legacy to Brooke. I know that it's there and it's part of the future of the organisation, and that's something that I'm very proud to be part of. Really appreciate seeing you all today. Thank you so much for coming along and hope to see you again soon.